I think it's a slightly nervous time. It's special for various reasons because it is our first collaboration with A.R. Rahman, which is quite interesting, and we've been fortunate enough to get to spend some time with him. I've managed to go for a couple of sessions with them. And secondly, so we should thank him for giving Bombay and us a chance to be here because he's not been here for a while. And secondly, I think it's we're introducing two very promising actors, Arman and Diksha, and we are very proud of the fact that this is where it starts for them, and then they make what they can of it. And lastly, our debutant director, and I think anything that can be said about him, watch the movie.
No, that was not intimidating. It was quite easy actually because he's come from a background. He's seen it. He's grown up in this. So he's seen this world. But at the same time, it didn't mean कि उसके लिए कुछ आसान था. He still had to prove time and over again that he deserves a place to be here, which I was very particular.
I think the most interesting thing about Arman also is that if you meet him, he's one of the most unassuming people, and you won't even feel that an actor's in a star, or as you say, in the role. Right now, we're trying to just make him an actor, and I think Arif has. You'll see as in the subsequent weeks they share quite an interesting equation. When you put the two of them together, you'll see the dynamic.
I'm here for various reasons. I'm here for Arman predominantly. Arman was in AD in Dharma. He worked with us on My Name is Khan, on Student of the Year, on Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu. So he's been, not only is he family to us, really close family, friends to the entire Kapoor family, the Jain family. So Arman is special to me and my mom for various reasons. Not only has he been a part of Dharma Productions, but Arman is also very much a part of our family. So I feel like I've come for my own child's launch today. So I'm very excited, very, very happy, super zealous about Arman's launch, and of course coupled with the fact that it's an Illuminati film, and I have a little hand in the title of the film, so I'm also here to stake claim for that. Lekar Hum Deewana Dil was the title suggested by me. So I feel a very strong attachment to Dinu and Illuminati, and of course it's Saif's company. So there are so many reasons to be here tonight.
All my life I've been insecure of him because I've always known he's more talented and a little bigger than me.
Just basically because of body weight.
So I am completely not only nervous and insecure, I'm actually scared. I have to say that I'm definitely not as involved as I'd like to be. And it's good because maybe more involvement from me would have spoiled matters. And there was luckily no reason for me to be involved because, as I already said, I'm scared of him. So he's done a much better job than I think I could have done.
So Shweta and I have sung Bekasoor.
Together, and it's a great song, and we're all privileged. I think tonight it's a beautiful day, and we're all really excited for Lekar Hum Deewana Dil. And I'm speaking on behalf of everyone. So
And
this
plus
is
it's,
Nakash, she sung Bekasoor. This is Janita, she sung Malum. This is Hriday Gatani. This is his first time
Debut for
yes.
any Bollywood film. And I've got the chance to sing two songs, Malum and Two Shining, and I'm completely humbled and privileged. Obviously, completely. It's completely for Rahman sir.
This is Shiraz Uppal. I sang Alada. Dil bekasur hai.
कितना पर है ये जरूर है कितना जाने ये जलना सस में क्या पता रीत रस में क्या पता सच्चे प्यार की इसमें क्या पता मेरा तो जमाने से लेना देना ही नहीं प्यार गुस्ताखी माँ कितना ही मालूम जिसपे भी तू साथ हो बस कितना ही मालूम
तू shining एकदम diamond की तरह. Oh, bring it on Johnny man. तू shining एकदम diamond की तरह. Oh, bring it on Johnny man. Logic की मक्खी मारो boss, इसकी bowling है full toss, profiting आज़ादा loss, the Indian thing. Treadmill पे दौड़े उल्टे पाँव, मेरी बिल्ली मुझसे meow, nothing later something now, the Indian thing.
हुए तो है अलहदा पूरी तरह मगर नहीं हुए हैं क्यों अलहदा तेरे बगैर जीना लगता है खाली दिल है मगर सीना लगता है खाली.
To know more about your favorite superstars, subscribe to Bollywood Wala now and hit like if you like this story.